What's up, guys? Today we're making egg roll. No. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Cheesy Does a Cooking vlog. Today we're making my mom's famous egg roll recipe. I'm making a slight change to it though, so hopefully I won't dishonor my family. Here we have some cabbage, onion, eggs of course, some pork, and these Nang Tham Cho Bao noodles, which is Vietnamese for noodles that go in egg rolls and stuff. Then egg roll wraps and some dry fungi. How can he be dry if he's a fun guy? Shut up! Okay, first we need to grind our meat. I have here some pork shoulder, aka Boston's butt, pork cushion, which I don't get why it's called cushion because it's not that comfortable, and my own little twist, some dry aged prime ribeye. Usually my mom uses shrimp,
but what mama don't know won't hurt her.
Next, use a knife to cut your meat into cubes. This way they'll fit into your meat grinder. But before we start grinding, we need to soak our dried fungi in some water along with our noodle stuff. Let them both soak for about 10 minutes. And that's when I realized when soaking noodles in water didn't do jack squat. I should have read the back of the package, but it was all in Asian, so I called grandmama and it went straight to voicemail. Life. Now we start grinding. Guys, I recommend you get a grinder. They're cheap, handy, and good conversation pieces. Your vegan friends can be like, oh, I started my own garden. I'm growing organic tomatoes and goji berry kale hybrids at home. And you can be like, oh my god, me too. I started grinding my own meat, so now I have fresh ground dead animal carcass whenever I want. Sometimes the meat gets stuck. That's where your pork cushion comes in. You gotta give a little cushion for that pushing, nah, man. Now we're gonna shred some veggies into our grind. I have onions, cabbage, and your carrots. Then add in your now wet fungi, noodles, and 2 eggs. Next is our sauces and seasonings. Add in some fish sauce, which comes from fish, oyster sauce, which comes from oysters, and sesame oil, which comes from Sesame Street. Then sugar, salt, and pepper. Next we get our Miss Frizzle on and get messy.
Cruising on down Main Street, you're relaxed and feeling good.
Now we need to wrap these up. To wrap we need wrapping pastry and egg wash. Lay the wrapping paper down in a tilted square. Then start by egg washing the top corner. Lay down 2 spoons of your stuffing just below the center into a log shape. Roll the bottom and tuck it in. Then pull the sides over and roll all the way up. That turned out okay, but I think we can do better. So let's try again, but this time I'm gonna fold the sides into a 90-degree angular on each side. See how it looks like a email envelope. Then roll it up. Yeah, the one on the left is much better. Okay, we're done. Ready to fry. In a hot pan, I've heated some oil up to 400 degrees. Well, I mean, at least I tried. And then I forgot about it, so now it's way too hot. But once you put the rolls in, the temperature will drop drastically. So YOLO. You want to cook these bad boys for about 10 minutes or until very golden, flipping once or twice. And there you have it. Fresh, crispy, crunchy, meaty egg rolls all made at home. Just listen to the crunch. Suck it, Panda. That's it for today, guys. Make sure you look at us up. Follow me everywhere at Cheesy Does a Cooking. Guys, this egg roll recipe is my mom's recipe, so I want to get her on the phone so we can thank her. How are you?
Good.
For today's video, I did your secret egg roll recipe.
You gonna show everyone my secret recipe?
Oh, geez, sorry I didn't ask.
Oh, no, it's okay. Is Jackie there?
Yeah, I think so.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
Do me a favor. Grab the pillow right next to you.
Okay.
Now beat him over the head as hard as you can.
You thought cutting onions was bad. Shredding onions is a new level.
Wanna play a game?
Ew.
So Jackie, you have to put up with this shit all the time, huh?
Yeah.
It's what it costs to live here.